Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shirley Rodriguez from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also Matarders. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of February 22 hanggang February 28 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces. Welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kaya kayong energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces, ang ating mga hilaf. So guys, this reading is a journey reading lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos updated. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig nag-uumapang lumiyayang manong-balig sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating spirit for the sign of Pisces? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, eto na itong kaya natin bubulabugin natin. Angel Spirit, please give me an information po. Ano kaya gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? Angel Spirit, please give me information po. The Emperor. No, kailangan maging mature ka na. No, kailangan maging matalino ka na at maging wise ka na sa mga desisyon na gagawin mo. There's something a mature enough person. So kailangan maging mature ka na. No? Let's see what is additional messages. And there's something the Queen of Pentacles. Now, there's something good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur. Na kailangan marunong ka, parang sinasabi dito na bihasa ka na how to manage your money. No? Kailangan maging mature ka kung paano mo siya pangahawakan or pangangatawanan. No? Parang sinasabi dito, kailangan marunong ka mag-control. No? And there's something that's Seven of Pentacles. Now, there's some harvest moment. This is something I'm paying off, or hard work is paying off. Now, this is something, harvest moment. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a King of Cups, there's a devoted supportive person. May taong sumusuport at gumagabay sa'yo dito. And there's a Four of Swords. No? There's something rest. So, kailangan mo na pahinga. No? Masyado ka ng pagod, or masyado ka ng maraming iniisip. What is additional messages? And there's an Eight of Wands, sa past communication and past movement. So, bibilis na rin ang takbo ng eksena dito na magdadala sa'yo ng new beginning. And there's a travel, guys, no? There's a travel, adventurous. So, let's see what is the Emperor. Referencing with a Devil card. Oh my God. No, there's something the Devil represent with the toxicities or negativities or either black magic and both. Pero clarify pa natin yan, no? What is the Queen of Pentacles? Referencing with a Four of Pentacles for saving money. No? Protect your power, protect your energy. Maging mature ka naman. There's something temptation or greedy na pagdating sa pera. Meron ako nasa-sense dito, guys. And there's a Seven of Pentacles referencing with the Ace of Cups. No? There's a love offer coming in for you. No? Some of you guys, no? Matatagpuan mo na yung taong para sa'yo talaga. What is the King of Cups? There's a Ten of Swords. Mag-ingat ka lang with the sabotage. No? May taong sumasabotahe sa eksena mo para hindi ka maging masaya. No, meron talagang gumagawa ng eksena dito para iiwan ka at hiwalayan ka ng person mo. No, ginagawan ka ng eksena para magkaroon kayo ng problema. What is the Four of Swords? Represent with the Knight of Swords. Nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless night, anxieties. Oh my God, may gayuma ako na nakita. My goodness. No? Kinlarify ko lang ng Devil card, no? Devil card, sorry. Kinlarify ko lang with the Devil card. And the Ten of Swords, because the Knight of Swords, kumbaga pinapakita na may nagsabotahin sa'yo. No? Maaring hindi ka mapakali, balisa ka, hindi ka makatulog. And there's a Two of Wands. No? There's a something choices. Piliin mo lang. No? Yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. There's an Emperor because the Devil card. Referencing with the Five of Wands, I told you, competitors. Oh my God, may kakapitensya ka dito. No? Maaring itong tao na to may gusto sa person mo. What is the Queen of Pentacles versus the Four of Pentacles? Referencing with the Page of Cups by your intuition. So, ibig sabihin, conclusion and within reach. No? Tama yung hinala mo. Ay. So, ibig sabihin, yung gumawa sa'yo dito, maaaring ginagawan ka para maghiwalay kayo ng jowa mo or asawa mo. No? Oh my God, let's see what is the Seven of Pentacles versus the Ace of Cups. There's an Eight of Cups. So, hindi maka-move on. My goodness. No, hindi siya maka-move on. What is the King of Cups? It's either an ex or either, kumbaga, there's something a mutual friend na maaring kumbaga related sa inyo or either a friend of yours. No? What is the King of Cups? Because the Ten of Swords. Reference with the Six of Pentacles, there is something given receiving certain by the universe. Alam mo, naiingit siya kasi kumbaga nagtutulungan kayong dalawa ng partner mo. What is, gusto niya sabutahin yung eksena nyo. A friend. I see something a friend. And I see something of an ex. What is the Four of Swords? Because the Knight of Swords. Represent what? And there's a judgment. This is a wake-up call. No, inner calling. No, parang you need to pay attention. So let's see, guys. What is additional messages? Wait lang, guys. Okay. We're back. So there's a judgment. No, there's a something na pay attention. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga gut feeling ka or something synchronicities na nagkakaroon ka ng information, no? Na parang nararamdaman mo na kakaiba, no? Yung mga nararamdaman mo o nararanasan mo this past few months or this past few weeks, no? Hindi ka mapakali, hindi ka makatulog, balisa ka. Let's see, guys, what is additional messages with the Eight of Wands and the Two of Wands. So, this is something, the Sun card. Oh, there's a pure positive outcome. Ibig sabihin dito, unti-unti na magliliwanag sa'yo. Piliin mo yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo, my goodness. Sa paligid mo lang to, I think this is a friend. No, kumbaga, unti-unti magliliwanag sa'yo kung sino tong tao na to. And there's something, a movement, and because there's a messages and phone calls. No, nakakaano ka ng tawag, messages dito sa tao na to, and there's an email. Oh my God, ibig sabihin na friend of yours talaga. Let's see, may communication kayo eh. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Nine of Pentacles. So this is something, pati sa finances mo, maaring nanggugulo to para magkaroon ng failure or something delays. And there's a Page of Swords. No, even doon sa mga transaction nyo, no? Sa mga ginagawa mo, there's an Empress card for revert. Oh my God. There's something, a blessing coming in for you, a new beginning. So, kailangan maging mapagmatsyag ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo, ha? Meron talaga dito na nakakakuha ng information, no, about sa'yo. I think, nagkakaroon ng sabotage or self-sabotage, not because of this situation. Ibig sabihin, nasahanay mo lang yung gumagawa ng eksena sa inyo. Let's see, what is additional messages for finances and career? For finances and career, there's a black namin, I told you so. Diba? There's something of black magic involved. And there's the hangman, something delays. Oh my God! So talaga pinapakita dito na may gumawa sa'yo na eksena. Diba? Para magkaroon ng, problema, no? Magkaroon ng failure pagdating sa mga transactions. And because parang pinabagal niya. Or parang nilagyan ka niya ng pampamalas, no? Let's see additional messages. Or pampabigat. And there's something, the Page of Cups, Five of Cups, no? See, nakikita mo kung paano sayangin, para mapanghinayangan mo lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na sa paligid mo. Para unti-unti maglaho. Oh my God! Additional messages about tayo sa love life. Sa love life, there's a Three of Cups. I told you, third parties, di ba? A friend of yours. Or either family-related. Oh, see, there's a Ten of Cups. Naiingit to kasi masaya kayong dalawa ng partner mo. Gusto niya yung kaligayahan. Oh, babae. Oh my God, babae yung gumagawa. There is a feminine dito. At maaaring kumbaga, nag-iingit to at nagsiselos to. No? Let's see, additional messages. One more card to clarify kung love involvement siya. There's a Strength card. Na kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matibay. No? Kailangan mong lakasan ng pakiramdam at the same time. Additional messages about sa health. Sa health mo naman, let's see. Sa health, there is something that is a wants for a new project, new plans. And there's the full card for a leap of faith, no? Para sinasabi dito, magdasal ka, mag-devotion ka, guys. No? There's something ritual, no? Kailangan magkaroon dito ng combate or something na labanan about sa dasalin or orasyon. There's an Eight of Swords. Nasa paligid mo lang. I think this is something of a friend of yours or either a family related, no? So let's see what is additional messages for a magical fairy messages. For magical fairy messages, represent what? Magical fairy messages will represent with a dietary change. So, kailangan mo rin mag-diet, no? And there's something it's autumn with a harvest moment. See? This is the moment na may mga unti-unti na kumaga lalakas or lalago. Or maaring kumaga may mga hinihintay ka na maaari ng dumating. No? Let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. Let's see. There is a lack and doubt para manghinayang ka para kumbaga magkaroon ka ng alinlangan sa sarili mo. And there is a conflict. See? Nagtitrigger to with the complications. Diba? Para mag-trigger yung eksena para hindi mo makuha yung opportunity na to. Para mag-loss lahat ng magkaroon ng mga disappointment, rejections, and failure. And this is something of growth and expansion. Magkakaroon ka talaga mas malawak pa na kaalaman. And there's a something revert. Now, there's a something na maaring magkaroon ng blessing. No? Maaring bumalik ulit sa eksena kung masusolusyonan mo tong problema na to. No? Alam mo, kailangan mo lang dito ng cleansing and protections. No? Para lang maproteksyonan yung sarili mo. Kasi magtutuloy-tuloy ito hanggang sa mas lumawak pa siya. Let's see what is synchronicities. For synchronicities represent with a sister. Oh my God! It's either kapatid mong babae ito or tinuring mo siyang kapatid. No? And there is a teacher na kumaga sinasabi a lesson learned sa may mga bagay na kailangan mo matutunan. And there's a something dreamer na maaaring pinasok na sa panaginip mo. Maaaring na naginip ka na dito. So let's see what is additional messages with our romance angels. For a mystic love oracle deck, represent what? Represent with a not committal, with a independence, so kailangan alam mo sa sarili mong grounds mo. And there's a block. No, naka-block, no, there's a something obstacle. Para hindi magtuloy-tuloy talaga yung maganda kapalaran sa'yo. No, binablock niya lahat para malasing ka. And there's a calling here from them. See, I told you, nakakaranas ka ng tawag sa kanya. And there's something, nagkakaroon dito ng back and forth. Some of you guys sa ibang bansa, yung person mo, nagkakaroon kayo ng back and forth, nagkakaroon kayo ng pagtatalo, pag-aaway, na hindi mo alam kung saan nanggaling. And this is something unexpected all of the sudden. No, may mga biglaan talaga. So let's see, what is the chakra messages represent what? For the chakra messages, isolation, no? Parang you're feeling stuck, you're feeling abandonment. You're feeling drained, and this is something vanity. Alisin nyo yung bisyo, alisin mo yung luho, no? Isa sa nakakasira dito, and this is something, a miracle. Don't you worry, may himala. And there's an impatient, kailangan mo lang habaan ng pasensya mo. So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. And make a commitment. See? Kumbaga kailangan mo mag-commit dito sa situation na to. And there's an admit the truth to yourself and accordingly. Iwasan mo magpanggap, no? Na okay ka lang, na hindi mo na, kumaga, na yung sitwasyon ay walang nangyayari. Gano, kailangan maging open ka sa sarili mo. And there's something and information with an angels, no? Support with the guidance. Sinusuporta ka ng ating gabay. And this is something honesty and trust. So, kailangan mo magtiwala sa iyong mga angel spirit guides. So, some of you guys, there's a spiritual abilities then. Malakas ang radar mo pagdating sa mga instinct, intuitions, gano'n, and vision, predictions, and there's a decision, no? Nagkakaroon ka ng indecision dito kasi magulo pa yung situation. And there's a death call for a transformation na kailangan ng wakasan, maguhin ng eksena. What is Archangel Raphael messages? Archangel Raphael messages for you. Archangel Raphael messages for you. Represent with a fresh air. Kailangan mo ng sariwang hangin. No? Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's something served ancestors, no? Kumbaga there's any hidden secrets, marami nakatago pa na sekreto na hindi mo pa lubos na unawaan, napakalalim ng pinanggagalingan. And there's a baby step. There's an action with the follow your intuitions. Lagi ka makikinig sa intuitions mo. Even your gut feeling. No? Let's see what is the Montology. Represent what? A Montology represent a new romantic cycle begin. So magkakaroon ng panibagong eksena pagdating sa pag-ibig. And this is something, don't let your past hold you back. No, wag mo na rin balik-balikan yung nakaraan. So ibig sabihin dito, mayroon talagang tungkol sa nakaraan. What is the energy? Represent what? And there's an attachment, impostor. Meron talaga impostor talaga sa paligid mo. And there's something in blossom in abundance. No? Magkakaroon ka talaga ng pag-unlad dito. No? Siksik-liglig umapaw talaga ng biyaya. Kaso hinaharang, hinahadlangan. What is additional messages? Alam nyo guys, sa ang kulam o sumpa, nakaka-apekto yan sa isang tao, lalo-lalo na kapag ginawan ka ng eksena. Di ba sinasabi daw nila, bakit daw ang blessing daw, nakahadlangan daw ba yun? It's a si God daw yung may ating Panginoon. Yes, of course. Pero, kaya nga there's something instrument eh. No, kasama sa nangyayari yan, yung mga gumagawa, na kumagado ka susubukin. No, kung yung paniniwala at pananampalataya mo ay solid ba. Kaya may purpose lahat ng bagay. No, may instrument yan. Kaya kailangan mo magtiwala. At kailangan mong maniwala, no? And this is something you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction. Kaya napapanood mo tong reading na to, maaaring lumaga pa ka talagang tumugma sa'yo. And there's something book. Dahil libro mo na ang binabasa ngayon. Dahil chapter mo na. Diba? So let's see what is the Romans Angels. Addiction messages. And there's a codependency. Addiction or affecting your romantic life. Alam niyo guys, addictions na nire-represent dito na parang there's something na, parang tukso or napaka-obsessed nitong tao na to na gumagawa sa'yo. And there's children. No? Gumaga may combination to with, maaring may mga anak tong tao na to or maaring may anak kayo. No? Or baka gusto niyo magkaanak dito. No? So let's see what is the angel's answer. And there's within the next few months, no? Sa mga susunod na buwan, magkakaroon doon ng mga pagbabago, and there's a taking action. Kailangan mong kumilos at kailangan mong makipag-communicate ng maayos. Diba? What is the Jesus loving quote said? A Jesus loving quote said, let's see. And there's your faith has saved you, go in peace. So see, ang pananampalataya at tiwala mo ang magliligtas sa'yo. No? Sa mga karanasan at mga pinagdadaanan. Matandaan mo, lahat ng mga bagay na to ay plano ng ating Panginoon. No? Para malaman kung hanggang saan ka tatatag, hanggang saan ang paniniwala mo at pananampalataya mo. Let's see what is the angel's number. And there's a 00 by Limitless Cycles, no? And limitless potential. So sinasabi dito guys, it serves as a timely reminder that anything can be accomplished if you can dream it. There is no reason you can make it into reality. If something in the possession of another person, it is also available to you, so try to remain calm. What meant for you won't pass you by. Let go of the tension. Relax. So kailangan mo kumalma. No? Kailangan mo pakalmahin ang sitwasyon. Kailangan mo maging mahinakon. Dahil kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. No? What is the messages of life? Represent what? Messages of life represent self-love. No? Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. No? Tanggapin mo kung ano man yung mga bagay o pangit sa'yo. So say, I love myself, fully accept myself exactly as I am. I am able to recognize my own divinity and to appreciate the purity of my soul. I take time to take care of myself. I enjoy myself. I nourish myself. I am kind to myself. I am grateful for who I am. So see, kumbaga ngayon, unti-unti mo nang natatanggap, unti-unti mo nang tinatanggap sa sarili mo or minamahal sa sarili mo lahat ng mga bagay na dumarating. No? Kumbaga unti-unti mong binubuksan ang palad mo sa panibagong chapter. Kaya kailangan mo magtiwala sa sarili mo. Isang pagsubok lang to at isang paraan ng ating Panginoon para hubugin ka sa mga bagay o karanasan na nangyayari sa iyo na kailangan mong matauhan, maliwanagan na hindi lahat ng mga tao sa paligid mo ay parehas kayo ng pakiramdam at nararamdaman. So kailangan mag-ingat ka sa pagtitiwala, no? Lalo-lalo na sa mga tao sa paligid mo na kung sino pa yung malapit sa iyo, yun mismo pa ang sisira sa iyo. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of February 22 hanggang February 28 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads sa way pagpalay kayo. Ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-umapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!